Reduce operating costs, minimize downtime, optimize line efficiency, and get ready for smart manufacturing. That's the value WMMS delivers. More than just management software, WMMS is a comprehensive solution that adapts to any production environment, synchronizes data, and enhances operational capacity. With WMMS, businesses manage more efficiently, accelerate digital transformation, connect machines to ERP, and build a solid foundation to thrive in Industry 4.0. WMMS is an equipment monitoring and maintenance system developed by Weldcom's seasoned experts in the fields of mechanical engineering and automation. 1. What sets WMMS apart? 20 years of expertise in machinery and production lines. Beyond supplying equipment, Weldcom deeply understands every process in detail to deliver solutions tailored to each business. Expert team designing on core control technology. Each system is uniquely engineered and deeply customized to customer needs, integrating advanced technology for precise, stable, and right first-time operation. Turnkey technology lines and services. Weldcom delivers a complete one-stop service from consulting, design, equipment, and software to maintenance, giving businesses a single trusted partner for fully integrated, risk-free operations. Driving digital transformation towards smart factories, Weldcom leads the way in accelerating digital transformation, offering a strategic ecosystem of core software for modern management and production. WMMS seamlessly integrates with other platforms, creating a unified, optimized, and sustainable manufacturing system for the future. Data security and protection. WMMS uses multi-layer security, data encryption, access control, and real-time cyber monitoring, ensuring data integrity and safety for confident, accurate decision-making. Key values of WMMS. Why is WMMS vital for modern businesses? These 8 core values are the golden keys to smart operations, higher efficiency, and sustainable growth. Continuous operation, minimal downtime. Seamless production lines that reduce interruptions and maximize growth opportunities. Optimize maintenance and material costs. Manage maintenance schedules and spare parts to extend machine lifespan and maximize return on investment. Ready for Smart Factory Connect IoT, AI, and real-time data to enable smarter factory operations. AI, build a centralized data hub for easy search, Q&A, and analysis to support production and management. Multi-plant, manage multiple factories at once. Track and compare performance on a single system. Safe and stable production lines. Early anomaly detection enables proactive maintenance and prevents breakdowns. Instant reporting and analytics. Transparent and intuitive insights support faster decision-making, boosting labor productivity by up to 20% and reducing direct manpower needs. Flexible ERP and MES integration. Open architecture enables easy connectivity, driving lean management and effective digital transformation. Energy saving, process standardization, ESG compliance, reduce waste, save energy, cut emissions, and move towards sustainable green manufacturing. User-friendly interface, intuitive and easy to use on both tablets and smartphones, enabling fast deployment with minimal training costs. Key features of WMMS operation: status monitoring, monitor equipment status in real time, detect anomalies early to improve reliability and extend machine lifespan. Energy consumption monitoring, collect and analyze power usage data for each device. Optimize energy efficiency and control operating costs. Digital equipment records store all technical documents and operation history. Run time, downtime errors. Enable quick access for troubleshooting or performance evaluation. Proactive maintenance schedule. Maintenance by time or usage cycles. Record and track incidents to prevent risks, reduce downtime, and extend equipment life. Automated reporting. Automatically generate reports on equipment operation and maintenance. Include analysis. Evaluate performance, energy trends, and equipment lifespan. Alerts. Notify when indicators are abnormal or exceed thresholds. Production management track progress by production line, shift, or order. Provide data on productivity, quality, and cycle time to reduce errors and improve transparency. WMMS, the technological key from Weldcom. Turning data into power and challenges into advantages. WMMS helps businesses move toward a smart, sustainable factory, ready to lead in the new era. Start your digital transformation journey with Weldcom today.